Caterham Project V debuts 2,623-pound EV sports car to 168 HP and RWD. Caterham is set to reveal Project V, an all-electric sports car, at the Goodwood Festival of Speed on July 12th. This lightweight, rear-wheel drive vehicle, designed by Anthony Gennarelli, Caterham's new chief designer, is a departure from the company's traditional roadster, the 7, as it fully embraces electric power. The Project V sports car is powered by a 200-kilowatt motor mounted in the rear axle, combined with a 55 kilowatt-hours USOC lithium-ion battery pack, providing 268 horsepower and an estimated range of 249 miles. Recharging is quick and efficient, with the ability to go from 20 to 80% charge in just 15 minutes using a 150 kilowatts DC rapid charger. Staying true to Caterham's minimalist design approach, the Project V boasts simplicity and lightweight construction, weighing around 2,623 pounds. Its carbon fiber and aluminum composite chassis houses a fully adjustable front and rear, double wishbone suspension, and electrically assisted power steering. The coupe is expected to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4.5 seconds and reach a top speed of 143 miles per hour. The interior features a unique 2+1 seating layout, with an option for a 2+2 configuration. The dashboard remains refreshingly minimal, with 2 round digital gauges in front of the driver. A series of rocker switches on the center console enable the driver to select between normal, sport, and sprint modes, adjusting the acceleration, suspension, and steering. The infotainment system is user-friendly, offering smartphone mirroring. Caterham sees Project V as more than just a design study or concept, with engineering and production feasibility studies already underway. If all goes well, the car could hit the market by the end of 2025 or early 2026. The company clarifies that Project V isn't meant to replace the existing 7, but rather complement it by combining Caterham's core values with an electric powertrain and practical coupe body style. The Project V aims to appeal to existing fans and attract new customers to the brand. At the Goodwood Festival of Speed, Project V will join a lineup of notable EVs, making a strong statement about the future of performance cars and the electrification of the automotive industry.